Yeah, here on the Moto Track Day 2025 at the Carrick property. Unsanctioned.
Unsanctioned.
Unsanctioned, friends only. This is Chutes County, don't get mad at me. Just having a good time, riding a lot of XR100s, a big bore 110, a 300 trials bike, and having a blast. Like, now we're cooking some dogs that will for sure give you some serious poops. Jalapeno cheddar.
What do you have to say for yourself, dude?
Down here laying down the H2O. Boy, someone's got to do it.
Little H2O?
Someone's got to be the steward of this place, you know? No one's in charge. Things just go sideways quick. I think this is probably hour 20 of holding this hose in the last few days.
Sounds about right.